Hey guys, Vince over at cultofandroid.com. Today I'm going to show you, right now I'm going to show you the second task I used or set up using my NFC tags from Tags for Droid and NFC Task Launcher application that you can find and download in the Google Play Store. As you can see, I have affixed the NFC tag to my laptop here, because when I leave the house and I'm on the road and I need to get some work done while in the car, obviously I'm not driving, or if I'm out and about where there's no wireless or Wi-Fi, I need to use my data connection to wirelessly tether to my laptop so that I can get some work done. So what I've done is I've set up a tag to toggle between Wi-Fi and enable my phone to be a hotspot when touched to the NFC tag. So I'll show you how to do that quickly in NFC Task Launcher, and then I'll show you how it works. So you would launch NFC Task Launcher, and you would set new tag, and then new task, add action. You would go to Wi-Fi Bluetooth connections, and so my first order of business would be to shut my Wi-Fi off. So I would disable it, hit OK, then add another action, and I would go to Wi-Fi Bluetooth connections, Wi-Fi hotspot, and then I would enable my hotspot. So now when touched to the tag, it would disable my Wi-Fi and then enable my hotspot. Now I'd rename this something to the extent of tether or something like that, and then finish. Now I want to toggle, like I said in previous videos, so when you want to toggle between tasks and for instance touch the NFC tag to have it disable Wi-Fi, enable portable hotspot, and then touch the NFC tag again to disable portable hotspot and enable Wi-Fi. In order to do that, you want to set up each task individually, and then you're going to use the new switch on Task Launcher Pro, which I'll show you right now. So I have this action or this task already saved, so I'm not going to save it here. But then what you would do is you would go into new task, add action, Wi-Fi Bluetooth, and now you would go to Wi-Fi hotspot. Wrong one. Wi-Fi hotspot, and now you would click disable. Then you would add another action, go to Wi-Fi, and you would have your Wi-Fi turn on. So once you have those two set up, you would go into new tag, new switch, assign the first switch as tether, because that's what I named it, and then the second switch as untether. Then you would hit finish, and it would ask you to place the tag against the back, and it would write that new switch to the tag, which I have already done, so I'll show you how that works. Now, right now, let me turn my Wi-Fi on so I can show you this. Okay, now there's my Wi-Fi. So now let's say I leave the house and I don't have a Wi-Fi signal and I need to use my phone, my phone's data connection to tether to my laptop. I just place my phone there. Oops, it's untethered me. So I had already been tethered. So the first one would run the task tether. So now you'll see it should tethering or hotspot active. And now my tethering hotspot is active, and I can access that on my laptop, as you will see right now. If I go to my connections, you'll see Android AP there. That's my Galaxy Nexus. So then I would just use my laptop by wirelessly tethering from my Galaxy Nexus. And now when I reach somewhere that has a Wi-Fi connection, or I get home, I just tap my phone back on the tag and it runs the untether task, which turns my Wi-Fi back on and turns off the hotspot. So that's one that I use a lot and comes in handy, and that's why I've affixed it to my laptop there so that I can just easily tap on, set up my hotspot, tap, turn it off, turn on Wi-Fi, and I'm good to go. So that's one task I use often, and it might be something that comes in handy for some of you as well. So hopefully that shows you how to some of the things you can perform with an NFC tag and a app such as NFC Task Launcher. Alright, and stay tuned for more videos.